Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be pretty interesting because let's just say I'm at that point in the semester where like I need to get my life together. So for today's video, I'm just gonna be cleaning the disaster that my room is right now. It is not looking so good. Last weekend my room was like clean, and then this week it's like the total opposite. Like everything is just all over the place. But yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of interesting ideas of videos that I want to film very soon, and definitely follow me on Instagram as well. Without further ado, let's just start cleaning my room. Let's go. Okay, so I actually decided that before I like start cleaning, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick rundown of how messy my room looks right now. I honestly don't even want to show you guys, but this is just reality. Like, we're all messy, aren't we? My bed looks like a disaster. There's literally still clothing on it from earlier today. I have a few hangers right here, and I actually want to wash my bed sheets. I usually wash my bed sheets like in the beginning of each month, and I have not done that for this month. I don't know, just something about that bothers me, so I'm gonna throw these in the washer. I'm probably gonna do that first. That's not even it, y'all. Look at how messy this area of my room is. Definitely need to do some laundry, even though I just did laundry like 2 days ago. Seriously, I have these clean clothing pieces that I just didn't have hangers for, so I guess I'm gonna use like these hangers and hang those back up. I just have a bunch of like random stuff. Like I just don't even like, I don't know where to put these things, so I need to figure that out. I literally still have my hat that I wore for Halloween. It's a lot dirtier now. I just don't know what to do with it. Random receipts on the floor. My working out shoes all over the floor, like right there too, and those are supposed to go in my closet. Just so much random stuff. The point is that my whole room is just like a disaster, at least to my standards. And I also need to dust and just like literally just deep clean everything. Honestly, I'm gonna put music on before I wash my bed sheets because I listen to music all the time. Right now I honestly got back into Harry Styles. I don't know why I'm just now getting back into him. That's the speaker. And then ever since Selena Gomez released her album, I've just gotten back into her old songs. I don't know, I'm going through a phase right now. Also, follow me on Spotify. I'll have it linked down below. I just put out my Christmas playlist again, so go check it out. I got you. Be taking this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. It's just kind of like a multi-surface everyday cleaner, so I'm just gonna use this to wipe down this little IKEA drawer that I have here, but I just have to take everything that's on top of there first. I'm done wiping down this IKEA drawer that I have. I actually decided to light up my candle just because the holidays are coming up and I need to finish both of my like fall scented candles. I also wiped down this little tray that I have from HomeGoods. It's just this really cute like marble pattern, and on it I just have a bunch of skincare items. My brushes, I'm actually gonna go ahead and wash them as well because I wash those very often. So I just have them all sitting right here. Done washing my makeup brushes. I actually forgot like my brush cleaning thingy back at home, so I just used my hand. Honestly, I just cleaned them with regular hand soap from Bath & Body Works. I don't know if that's bad or not, but I mean it does the job. Let these dry overnight. Now I'm actually gonna go ahead and clean up all the shoes I have on the floor because I have like 2 pairs that I just left out. I just need to put them back in here. Just put like all of my bed sheets to dry, but now I'm actually gonna do my laundry because that's kind of a lot of laundry. I go to the gym kind of a lot, so that's why like I have double the laundry every single day. After I put that into wash, I'm gonna put away all of this clean clothing that just needs to be hung up because this should just not be here. Laundry is now washing. This still looks like a mess because I'm waiting for my sheets and stuff to dry. Next up, I'm gonna wipe this counter as well on all 3 cubby holes. Also, update, my candle is like dying. It's kind of sad because I loved this scent. I just finished cleaning this area because it was honestly bothering me like most of the week. I just threw away a bunch of other receipts. This TJ Maxx bag just has this super cute kitchen towel set. I never got to using them. I kind of want to take them for my mom to use at home. Probably just put these in my closet for now. And then I had ordered this clothing item from Amazon, but it fits me a little too big. For now, I'm just gonna set this aside right here. But yeah, pretty much the only thing that's left is sweeping the floor and then vacuuming that main rug right there. I did wipe down all of these little cubby holes. I cleaned my mirror, and then I just kind of organized my jewelry that I have right here. By the way, you guys, I kind of want to do like a jewelry collection. I just love dainty jewelry, so just let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing these in full detail. Done sweeping. It's actually kind of scary how dirty my floor was. It's just really hard to see all the dust on this like wooden floor. Change this trash bag. Also, side note, I don't really take plastic bags from the grocery store anymore. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys know that by now, because literally I always post myself with my reusable bags and stuff. But I do have some leftover plastic bags, so I'm just gonna use them up until I finish them and put them in my little marble trash can. I just thought I would let you guys know because I know that's like a concern that I've gotten before on my channel. There we go. The last thing left to do is for me to vacuum. I only have this little rug to vacuum, so it's not a big deal. Rug is all vacuum. I swept literally through all of this as well because it was so dusty. I also ended up throwing away my other candle. I had the white pumpkin candle. It was just like all the way to the bottom and it wouldn't light up anymore. I just have on my Leaves candle from Bath & Body Works. I truly recommend their candles. But again, everything else is clean. I had to turn on the lights now because it's kind of dark. The sunset is literally at like 5 p.m. now. Not 5 p.m, like 4 p.m. Anyways, my bed sheets are all dry now. I also put my laundry into dry. I'm just gonna put these back on and then that will pretty much be the last thing I have to do in my room. My covers are a little wrinkly, but usually it's always like that for now, and then later on it just kind of like de-wrinkles by itself. Finally, my whole room is clean. I feel so much better, honestly. I feel like I just tackled one more thing in my to-do list for this weekend, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I got my candle going. Everything is just like perfect how I like it. Perfect timing because my battery is about to die. I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you made it to the end. I hope that this somewhat motivated you to clean your room or personal living area. I know that that's a great thing to do just to kind of feel better about yourself and just to kind of get your life together as well. If you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, definitely let me know down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.